Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to check for iOS 17 update. Many iPhone users are reporting that their iPhone is unable to check for iOS 17 update. In this video, I'll show you how to fix when your iPhone is unable to check for update. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step is turn off and turn on your iPhone. Turn off your iPhone and wait 20 to 30 seconds and power back on again. Simply to turn off your iPhone, you can go to settings, click on general, scroll down, and here you will see shutdown. Simply shut down your iPhone for 20 to 30 seconds and turn on again to see if the problem is resolved. So if you are still getting the unable to check for update error, then the next step is turn off VPN configuration. If you are unable to check for update iOS 17, simply try to disconnect VPN if you are using one. You can go to its app or you can go to setting, click on VPN and simply disconnect the VPN. Once you have done this, then the next step is turn on airplane mode and turn off. Simply open the control center and turn on the airplane mode. When your iPhone is unable to check for iOS 17 update, turn on the airplane mode and wait 20 to 30 seconds and turn off back again and see if the problem is resolved. So if you are still getting that error, then move on to the next step. The next step is reset network setting. Resetting network setting will reset your Wi-Fi, networks and password and APN and VPN configuration and cellular data settings. So make sure that you remember your Wi-Fi password or copy paste the detail before doing this. Simply go to settings, click on general, scroll down, click on transfer reset, click on reset and simply click on reset network setting and then simply enter the passcode of your iPhone. Then the next step is switch to different Wi-Fi network. Disconnect your iPhone from current Wi-Fi network and then connect to a new one to check for the update. So once you have done this, then the last step is check your date and time zone. Simply go to setting, click on general, click on date and time. So if the date and time is wrong, simply turn on the set automatically. So once you have done this, then you can close the setting, open the setting again. Now simply go to general and click on check for update. Now this time you should get your iOS 17 update without any error. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.